Okay, what if I told you the Pixel 10's biggest leak didn't come from a leaker or a blurry hands-on? It came from someone trying to sell a single motherboard online and accidentally gave us our best look yet at Google's next phone. Yeah, this is real. Not only did they post the internals, but the listing also included crystal clear front and back shots of what appears to be a legit Pixel 10 prototype. And here's the twist. It has 3 rear cameras. That's one more than last year's Pixel 9. But this isn't just a design tweak, it could signal the most advanced base pixel camera setup we've ever seen. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you love unexpected tech twists like this, tap that like button, share this video, and subscribe for the latest drops, leaks, and surprises. Let's dive in. So, this all happened thanks to a Chinese auction site listing that was supposed to be selling just a Pixel 10 prototype motherboard. But surprise, it also showed off the entire phone, and it didn't stop there. The listing included a wild rant about scammers, but hidden in the chaos were high-res photos that showed off a full device rocking a triple lens setup and a mysterious sensor under the flash. Could it be a new thermal sensor like the Pixel 9 Pro had? Possibly. But here's where it gets spicy. The added camera is rumored to be a 5x telephoto. Yes, on the base model. Google may finally be throwing serious zoom tech into more affordable hands. Now, about that motherboard, this wasn't just any old scrap part. It was labeled EVT 1.0, meaning this thing was early validation test hardware. It even featured the upcoming Tensor G5 chip, and although the serial numbers were blurred out clever, the fact that it was even up for sale at 7,777 yen, just 53 bucks, is nuts. Sure, it won't boot without a screen, battery, or chassis, but it gives us real clues about Google's next chip, and it's exciting. The G5 is expected to be Google's first Tensor chip manufactured by TSMC, using a 3nm process. That's the same cutting-edge tech powering Apple's A18 Pro. Translation: better battery life, cooler thermals, and more efficient performance. Finally, we might say goodbye to the overheating issues that plagued earlier Pixels, and while it might not break benchmark records, the real win here is stability and smarter AI. Speaking of smart, let's talk cameras. Leaks say the Pixel 10 Pro might introduce a dual-lens macro system. Yep, not just wide-angle close-ups anymore. Imagine getting crisp macro shots from 10 centimeters away using the telephoto lens, while the ultra-wide handles the extreme close-ups. That's a big leap forward. Add Google's AI-powered zoom enhance and photo editing tools, and we're talking macro photography that's not only usable, but actually fun, and that's just the start. We're still expecting Google to flex its software muscles with features like HDR+, Magic Eraser, and real-time voice-guided framing. All of this builds on the Pixel's reputation for camera smarts, and it could push the Pixel 10 series far ahead in mobile photography again. But things get a little weird when we talk about storage and color options. Google may be limiting how much storage you get based on the color you choose. So if you want the 1TB model, you might be forced into one specific color, likely obsidian. Want jade or moonstone? You could be capped at just 256 GB. Even the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold seems to follow this same restrictive pattern. It's kind of a bold and controversial move. Is it exclusivity or just plain annoying? Now, if you thought the Pixel 10 Pro was the star, don't sleep on the Pro XL and Fold models. The Fold, for instance, is rumored to feature the same AI capabilities, triple camera system, and Tensor G5 power, but with a foldable twist. Oh, and the Pixel 10a? That one's coming too, and might continue Google's tradition of offering great value with toned-down but smart features. We also have the Pixel Buds 2a incoming. Leaks hint at 3 new colors: hazel, iris, and fog light, but the full color lineup's still uncertain. There's a chance we could see more accessories dropping alongside the phones at Google's expected August event. Now here's what's wild. Google isn't just refining things, they're taking risks. Triple cameras on a base model, telephoto macro shots, color-based storage limits, and a first-gen in-house chip. That's a bold move. Will it pay off? Hard to say just yet. But one thing's clear, the Pixel 10 series isn't just playing catch-up, it's trying to change the game entirely. With the iPhone 17 series and Samsung's S25 lineup launching in the same window, competition will be fierce. But Google's strategy this year feels different, less safe, more daring. They're not just tweaking specs, they're redefining how the Pixel fits into the flagship race. And I want to know what you think. Would you trade color options for more storage? Are you excited about macro photography finally getting an upgrade, or are you still holding out for the Pixel Fold 2? Let's talk in the comments. I'm reading every one. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious, stay tech savvy, and as always, thanks for watching.